Set clear goals. Define your long-term and short-term goals. Having a clear sense of direction will keep you focused and motivated. Continuous learning. Embrace a growth mindset. Keep acquiring new knowledge and skills to adapt to a changing world. Hard work and persistence. Success rarely comes overnight. Put in consistent effort and don't be deterred by setbacks. Effective time management. Prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and allocate time for work, relaxation, and relationships. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain physical and mental well-being through exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and stress management. Networking and relationships. Build a strong support network. Collaborate, connect, and learn from others in various fields. Adaptability. Be open to change and willing to embrace new opportunities, technologies, and ideas. Resilience. Develop the ability to bounce back from failures and challenges. Use setbacks as learning experiences. Positive mindset. Cultivate optimism and gratitude. A positive attitude can enhance problem-solving and overall well-being. Give back. Contribute to your community or a cause you believe in. Helping others can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Thanks for watching.